ang pangarap ng award ko na. First time ko kami sumali dito. Pero ibinigay sa amin doon. Thank you, Lord. Undersecretary, Attorney Juan Miguel Tuna, Regional Executive Director Francisco Milan Jr., EMB5 Regional Director Engineer Maria Socorro Abu, MBJ Regional Director Guillermo Molina IV, Assistant Regional Director OIC for Technical Services, Attorney Ronel Sitso, ARD for Management Services, Ronel Actor, Assistant Regional Director OIC for Special Concerns, Adona P. San Diego, DENR Regional Office 5 Division Chief and Personnel, DENR Fellow Officers and Staffs, fellow awardees and environment advocates. Good evening to everybody. It is with a sense of both pride and humility that I accept this award for the city government. The Saringaya is very close to our hearts. It symbolizes our commitment and how heroes above the challenges to assure a sustainably cleaner and greener Sorsogon city. Our environmental initiatives are integrated into Gayon Sorsogon, a component of the 10+1+1 agenda inspired by the beauty and bounty of Sorsogon and the realization that a healthful and balanced ecology is a prerequisite to sustainable development. We resolved early on to protect the environment at all costs. And this can be seen from our extensive environmental programs and activities. Alam natin na ang kalikasan ang isa sa mga maipamana natin sa mga susunod na henerasyon. It is our responsibility to sow the seeds for the Sorsogonons in the future. Along with the provincial government's 7-day program, Gayon Sorsogon ensures that our streets are clean, our rivers are thriving, and our forests are regenerated. It is a collective effort, one that hindi lang ito trabaho ng gobyerno. Nurturing our resources is that of every Sorsoganon. The Sarangaya Award is for all of us. Para ito sa city government, lalo na sa sentro namin na nangunguna sa mga programang pangkalikasan. City Environment and Natural Resources Officer, Ronaldo Nerona Jr., Fellow Personnel, Attorney Engineer Unique Nicolas, Bernal, and Environment Planner, Engineer Franz Lunina. City Consultant, Beth Aluduga, Sorsogon DENR Fellow OIC, Marlon Francia. Salamat, sir. Napakabait niyo sa amin. Palagi kayong nasa likod namin para pangarap namin makuha itong award na ito. Nakuha namin yan at dahil din sa inyo, sa pagtulong ninyo at pagsuporta sa amin. At of course, fellow planning officer, Judy Goma, Management Services Division Chief, Yolanda Sao. Maraming salamat. This is for the street sweepers and garbage collector, our people's organization and private sector partners, the communities at sa lahat ng Sorsoganon na sumusunod sa waste segregation at tamang pagtatapon ng basura. We thank the DENR for finding us worthy of the Saringaya Award LGU category. Above all, we thank God for the blessing Sorsogon with rich natural resources. We will continue to ensure its sustainability through the Gayon Ciudad program. Thank you and congratulations to all of us. Kasi na kayo, na-excited ako. Thank you po.
Your environmental stewardship showed how collective actions can force a path where environment and humanity thrive together in harmony.
Congratulations to all our awardees. What a moment of triumph for all of us. This occasion is the most opportune time to recognize our Saligaya awardees, winners, and honor them for being such force multipliers in our shared mission towards environmental sustainability. Let us give our awardees another round of applause.
It's not over yet, Attorney Ella. I say, the best is yet to come. So at this stance, let us hear the Regional Director in charge of the Environmental Management Bureau in Bicol, the 2022 Second Best Eagle EMB Regional Director, Engineer Maria Socorro A. Abu, PhD, for the closing remarks.